Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Framer. Let's get started. First, log into your Framer website. Once in the website, on the upper right corner of the screen, click Publish. Then, click Add Domain. Scroll down and go to Custom Domain section. Next, select Connect a domain you own. Then after that, go to GoDaddy. Copy your domain and head back to Framer. Paste in the space provided, then click on the check mark. Now, your DNS records need to be set up. Go to your domain, click Manage DNS, then click Add New Records. So you need to add these three records. For the first and second DNS, choose A for the type and at for the name. And for the value, just copy the one given in the Framer dashboard. Then, paste it in the space provided. Then click Save. And now, for the last value, choose CNAME for type. And for the name, type in www, then copy the value from Framer and paste it in the space provided. Then, click Save. Now go back to Framer dashboard, and if it will says it's pending, that's fine, because most of the DNS takes time to update globally. Once it updates, it will reflect automatically. And that's it. You have now connected your GoDaddy domain to Framer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.